Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a brand new release from Sonos, their very first pair of noise-canceling headphones, the Sonos Ace. We'll be exploring everything from design to sound quality, so stick around to find out if these live up to the hype. Let's kick things off with the design. The Sonos Ace headphones have a sleek and minimalist aesthetic that sets them apart. They come in matte black and soft white finishes, giving them a sophisticated look. The oval-shaped ear cups are connected to a slim metal headband, which adds to the overall elegance. Unlike some competitors, these headphones don't fold, but they do swivel for easier storage in their included hard case, which is made from recycled materials, a nice touch for eco-conscious users. Comfort-wise, the Sonos Ace delivers with replaceable memory foam ear cushions that make long listening sessions enjoyable. The headphones weigh about 11.4 ounces, striking a good balance between lightness and durability. One unique feature here is the physical button controls on the ear cups. Instead of touch controls, Sonos opted for tactile buttons, including a content key for play, pause and volume adjustment, and a secondary button for noise control and voice commands. It's a practical choice, though the clamping force might feel a bit tighter compared to some competitors. Now, let's talk about what really matters: sound quality. The Sonos Ace doesn't disappoint here. With custom-designed 40mm dynamic drivers and support for Bluetooth 5.4 with aptX adaptive and aptX lossless, these headphones deliver crisp highs and deep, rich lows. Whether you're into bass-heavy beats or vocal-driven tracks, the Ace handles it all with clarity. It's a standout performer in the crowded noise-canceling headphone market. Moving on to active noise cancelling, ANC, the Sonos Ace excels. With 6 microphones dedicated to noise cancellation and 2 beamforming mics for voice clarity, it effectively blocks out ambient noise without compromising sound quality. Plus, it supports Dolby Atmos and Dolby head tracking, enhancing your listening experience. Especially if you pair it with a Sonos Arc soundbar for immersive home theater setup, a feature we couldn't test but is worth exploring. Battery life is impressive, offering up to 30 hours with ANC activated. Even better, a quick 3-minute charge gives you about 3 hours of playback time, perfect for those moments when you're rushing out the door. Connectivity-wise, Bluetooth 5.4 ensures stable connections with devices, supporting SBC, AAC, aptX adaptive, and aptX lossless codecs for high-quality wireless audio. Now, how do the Sonos Ace headphones stack up against their rivals like the Bose Quiet Comfort Ultra and Sony WH-1000XM5? While they come at a similar price point, the Ace offers a unique blend of style, sound quality, and eco-friendly materials that set it apart. However, it falls short in some integrations within the broader Sonos ecosystem. Something to consider if you're already invested in their other products. To wrap it up, the Sonos Ace headphones are a strong debut into the noise-canceling headphone market. With their sleek design, superb sound quality, and impressive ANC capabilities, they're definitely worth considering if you're in the market for premium headphones. However, the lack of full integration with the Sonos ecosystem may be a drawback for some users. Overall, if you're looking for headphones that deliver on both style and substance, the Sonos Ace won't disappoint. That concludes our review of the Sonos Ace headphones. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one on Product Critique.